As we've discussed, the Arizona Housing Association provides you with the member directory listing as well as a web page which you can edit to provide contact information to prospective customers. To edit this information, click Members and then click the listing in the center of the page. The next page that you see allows you to edit the information in the listing. The top section is the title of the listing. This area is important because this title is going to be the main search term that is going to be picked up by search engines like Google. So in this case, we notice that we have Gleason Mobile Home SVC. It looks like SVC is an abbreviation for service, so it makes sense to change that to service. I would recommend that you remain consistent as far as the naming of your directory listing here with any other advertising materials you may have for your company. The next section allows you to describe your company and the services that you provide. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've copy and pasted some information from the Gleason website rather than typing this in for you. So I'm just going to paste that here. And this area provides some useful tools, very similar to the way that you would edit a document with Microsoft Word. For example, if you'd like to have bold text, you can just highlight and click this little icon here, and that will make it bold. Also, another thing that's useful is if you would like to add a hyperlink to other pages within your website. Perhaps you have a home sales area that you'd like to call out, somewhere that you would really like to funnel people on your website. You can add links. So to do that, just click this little button here that looks like a chain, and then you can go ahead and enter the web address. In this case, I'm just going to use the Gleason website. And there we go. And we'll click Add Link. Okay. The next section is contact information. We've uploaded the contact information that the association has on file, but it's important that you review this information because we want to be sure that we're directing people to your business properly. One thing to note, the street address needs to be just the regular street address on the top line. If you have something like a suite number, a space number, office number, please add that in line 2. This helps us to generate the automatic map from Google properly. The city, state, zip code, pretty self-explanatory. The manager name is, if you have a primary contact person for this business, you can go ahead and add that information in this field. If you leave it blank, that section will just not be displayed. And email address, this should be your business email address. It's very important that you understand that this is going to be a public email address and people will be able to see it on the website. You may get a little bit of spam, but it's just I would recommend info at your whatever the general email address that you use. That would be my recommendation to use for the email address in this area. Phone number and fax number are self-explanatory. If you have a website already, you can create a link to your website. Go ahead and add that here. And then we can add a logo, or if you want to put a picture of the front of a storefront, whatever makes the most sense for your listing, you can add that using the image section. So in this case, we're going to add a company logo. And the next section has to do with helping you to add keywords that may help people find your company if they're using search engines. So in some cases, it's hard to work in all of the keywords that may relate to your company. So what this tool allows you to do is, without typing, just select some keywords that other people have used. Anybody that's using the site will have these same keywords to choose from. So in this case, we're going to do Arizona. Arizona affordable homes makes sense. Factory built homes. Arizona Housing Association. Arizona manufactured home. And then manufactured home communities, manufactured home community. And so since Gleason is an installer company, there's not a lot of tags here for installation. So if you scroll back up to the top, if you didn't find tags that made sense and you want to add more keywords, we'll do manufactured you can go ahead and add additional keywords in the tag section at the top right. You'll notice that all of the terms that I clicked down below were automatically added up here. So the section at the bottom is just a shortcut to save some typing and also provide some ideas to add keywords to your listing. So we've updated all of the different values for our member directory listing. Everything looks good. So we're just going to go ahead and click Update. And this will modify our listing. An indication of success is this yellow box at the top saying that the member was updated. You can review your work, check spelling, and see how your full page ad looks by clicking this link. And as you can see, we have our listing. There's the logo that we uploaded, the map. All of our information is, just close this, all of our information is current, looks good. And here's all the everything that we added for the description, as well as all of the keywords that we selected in the tagging section at the bottom. So that concludes our directory listing demo. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact me, Josh at mhcsitebuilder.com, or you can also contact Kim at Arizona Housing Association if you need any help with updating your listing. Thank you.